Hey, what's up YouTube? Got something different today from the thumbnail. As you can see, we are painting a hearse. We got a big repair on this quarter panel. Repair on the bumper. The bumper and the quarter panel are connected. We're going to go ahead and melt it right down here by the license plate area. And we're also going to melt it right in here. It's got some big emblems going on. A lot of this stuff's kind of a pain to take off, so we're just going to do a couple of melts. We're masking the front door, the moldings and everything on the front door. We're going to blend into the front door. This is a solid black, so I'm not going to be using any wet bed on this. I will just apply my base coat, do my blend, tack it, clear it. Reason for melting the rear bumper down here is it as you can see, it's connected to the quarter panel, so it does come around this side, connect to this quarter panel, and it's a lot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. It's all primed, prepped, ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into my base coat. I will be spraying this with Spies Hecker High Tech, and I'll be applying it with, I wanna say my Kiwami. So I'm gonna go mix the paint, turn the booth on, get ready to go, and we'll get into the spraying. Okay, ready to apply my base coat. Doing it with the Kiwami Spies Hecker High Tech. Going up and down over here, so I get as little overspray over here as I can where I'm going to do my melt. As you can see, I kind of blended this out, but for my coverage, I'm going up and down, limit the overspray. Okay, I'm going to flash that, check it with the light, hopefully it'll be ready for clear. Okay. I'm ready to clear this. I'll be using Kiwami to clear also. So, do the same thing up and down there and keep it real light back here where I got my flip tape at, where I'm going to do my melt. And now I'll start working my way around.
come back, do another coat. Okay, ready to do my second coat. Okay, for this melt, Spray Max spot blender. Feel that. Alright, now that'll melt that clear over that edge a little bit. It'll leave a little soft line from the spot blender where that tape is. Just take a buffer to it, buff right off, won't even see it. And we'll do the same thing here. Like I said, the flip tape came out over that edge, soft edge that clear. Now it'll melt it over that edge. There will be a slight line just from the spot blender where that tape is now. Take a buffer to it, buff right away, blend it right in.